Welcome to Sky and Sea Reviews. Today, we're diving into the latest advancements in aerial combat with an overview of the 2025 F-16 sixth-generation fighter jet. The 2025 F-16 represents a significant leap in aviation technology, integrating cutting-edge features to maintain air superiority. This iteration boasts enhanced stealth capabilities, advanced avionics, and superior maneuverability, ensuring it remains a formidable presence in modern warfare. Performance-wise, the new F-16 is equipped with a state-of-the-art propulsion system, allowing it to achieve speeds exceeding Mach 2. Its thrust vectoring engines provide unparalleled agility, enabling rapid acceleration and tight turns. The integration of artificial intelligence assists pilots in decision-making, threat assessment, and system management, reducing cognitive load and enhancing mission effectiveness. The exterior design of the 2025 F-16 has been meticulously crafted for both aesthetics and functionality. Its sleek, aerodynamic frame minimizes radar cross-section, contributing to its stealth profile. Advanced composite materials not only reduce weight but also enhance durability. The airframe's refined contours and sharp angles are not just visually striking but also serve to optimize airflow and reduce drag. In terms of fuel efficiency, this model incorporates next-generation fuel management systems and more efficient engines, extending its operational range. These advancements allow for longer missions with fewer refueling requirements, providing a strategic advantage in extended operations. In summary, the 2025 F-16 sixth-generation fighter jet stands at the forefront of military aviation, blending advanced technology with innovative design to deliver exceptional performance, agility, and efficiency. As nations continue to modernize their air fleets, the F-16 remains a testament to enduring excellence in fighter jet development. Thank you for joining us on Sky and Sea Reviews. Stay tuned for more insights into the latest in aviation and defense technology.